You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning for men. That's often seen around perfumes, perfumery, meaning that it's a fragrance for men. Pour homme is how it is said in France. Pour is French for. Pour homme. The H is silent. Homme is French for a man. For man in French is said as pour homme. You can say it in English as pour homme. Pour homme. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.